Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to enable virtualization without BIOS. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel and liking the video. So first of all guys, just go to your search bar and search here PowerShell. Once you find it, just hit right click and just click on run as administrator. Then you will see this kind of pop-up where we just have to hit on yes. So here is the main thing where we are going to give them a commands. So we are going to give them two commands. The first command is just type enable dash Windows optional feature space dash online space dash feature name space hypervisor platform space dash all, and once you do that, just hit enter. So this feature is already enabled in my case, so I'm just getting this option. Otherwise you have to type yes and then hit enter so that your PC will get restart and this option will get enabled in your case, but it is already enabled. So we are just going to move to our second command. So second command is also similar. Just type enable dash Windows optional feature space dash online space dash feature name space Microsoft space dash hyper-v dash v space dash all. Just hit enter. So yeah, this option is not enabled in my case, so we are just going to enable it. Just type here yes to enable and hit enter. So yeah, there you go, the PC is now restarting. It means after my PC restart, these functions will going to enable from then. So yeah guys, that's it. Now it is quite possible that your virtualization is enabled in your PC. Now it's your time to repay me. For that you can just subscribe my YouTube channel. I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.